How to start a profitable soap making business from home. Step-by-step guide with legal tips for Indian entrepreneurs. Step 1. Choose your soap type and niche. Decide what type of soaps to make. Pick your base and style. Choose from mint and pour. Easy for beginners. Cold process, more control, or herbal infusions for a natural touch. Glycerin soaps, melt and pour. Cold process natural soaps and herbal or Ayurvedic soaps. Exfoliating charcoal, clay or milk soaps. Identify your niche. Niche helps define your brand. It could be based on ingredients, target skin types or values like eco-friendly, vegan, etc. Skin specific. Acne prone, sensitive, dry. Eco-conscious or zero waste. Luxury handmade gifting soaps. Pet safe or baby safe soaps. Step 2. Research the market and plan. Study demand and competition. Look at popular sellers on Etsy, Amazon India and Instagram. Note scent types, prices, packaging and customer feedback. Plan your product line. Decide your soap range, pricing strategy, target audience and monthly production goals. 3 to 5 core soap varieties to start. Combo packs or sampler sets. Pricing tiers for individual versus gift box. Step 3. Learn the craft and practice safely. Learn the basics. Take beginner friendly courses, online or local, or follow soap making channels. Understand eye handling, temperatures, and mixing techniques. Test and experiment. Create small batches to test scent, leather, feel, and shelf life. Document each formula for consistency. Safety first. Always wear gloves, goggles, and a mask, especially for cold process. Walk in a ventilated area and label all ingredients clearly. Step 4. Source ingredients and equipment. Soap making essentials. Start with quality ingredients to ensure safety and product appeal. Always buy from trusted suppliers. Soap base or oils and eye for cold process. Essential fragrance oils. Colorants like mica, herbs, grays, molds, measuring scale, thermometer, safety gear like gloves, mask, apron. Where to source in India? Veda oils, Ayurveda, Amazon business, or local cosmetic raw material suppliers in cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Step 5. Comply with legal requirements in India. Business registration. For selling to the public, especially online or in store, register your business as a sole proprietorship via Udyog. GST and taxation. If your annual turnover exceeds 20 lakh, GST registration is mandatory. Even before that, some marketplaces like Amazon require GST in cosmetic safety and labeling. Soaps are considered cosmetics. You must comply with Drugs and Cosmetics Rule 1945. Include a full ingredient list, batch number, and expiry on each label. You may also need a cosmetic manufacturing license, Form 31, if making large quantities. Step 6. Develop product and branding. Create signature soaps. Choose 3 to 5 signature soaps for your brand. For example, lavender oat, neem turmeric, charcoal detox, or rose clay. Branding and labels. Design waterproof labels with clear details. Ingredients, use instructions, manufacturing date, and shelf life, typically 12 months. Logo plus brand story. Eco-friendly or artisanal packaging, optional. Certifications, cruelty-free, vegan. Step 7. Pricing your soaps. How to price? Calculate your cost of raw materials, packaging, labor, and overheads. Aim for at least 2.5 to 3x markup, like cost of production plus packaging plus time, multiply by 2 by 5, its retail price. For example, material plus packaging would be like 40 rupees per soap. Time or labor per bar is 10 rupees. Total cost is 50. Selling price 125 to 150. Step 8. Set up sales channels. Where to sell? Start with social platforms, then expand to marketplaces. Add offline selling via exhibition or local store. Instagram plus WhatsApp orders. Amazon, Flipkart, Etsy India, Meesho. your own site, Shopify, Dukaan or Wix, craft fairs, salons, gift stores. Promote visually. Share making videos, packaging shots, reviews, and ingredient close-ups to educate and attract buyers. Step 9. Launch and promote. Marketing ideas. Before your launch, create buzz with teaser posts and early bird offers. Keep engaging through sessions and festivals. Launch giveaway or discount bundles. Offer soap sample packs. Partner with influencer beauty creators. Build customer loyalty. Ask for reviews. Offer loyalty points or freebies with repeat orders. Encourage user-generated content. Step 8. Pack and deliver with care. Packaging tips. Use paper wraps, jute bags or biodegradable boxes. Include thank you card and usage instructions. Shipping. Start with India Post or local couriers. Upgrade to Shiprocket or delivery for wider reach and faster delivery. Offer cash on delivery options. Track orders via Google Sheet or Order Tracker. Keep extra inventory for best sellers. Step 11. Scale and diversify. Grow your business. Once you find traction, expand your range or collaborate with other brands. Add shampoo bars, bath bombs or lip balms, wholesale to boutiques or spas. Launch seasonal boxes or custom gift packs. Host soap making workshops, online or local. A handmade soap business is a rewarding, creative venture. By focusing on quality, skin benefits, and presentation, along with proper legal setup, you can build a sustainable and a profitable brand from your home.